So in question number 8, the first one is, for what values of k the equation k minus 12 into x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0 has equal roots. So whenever any quadratic equation has equal roots, so you should take b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 as a condition. So let us take the given equation and find the value of k. Okay, so the first one, the given equation. So given equation, let us take, that is k minus 12 into x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. We should convert into ax square plus bx plus c format. Then that is k minus 12 x square plus again k minus 12 into 2x, that is 2 into k minus 12x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so whenever any equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, if in this format, then when roots are equal, then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay, this condition will apply. Here x square coefficient is a, so here a is equals to k minus 12 and b is equal to x coefficient, so 2 into k minus 12 and c is the constant, that is 2, right? Then given condition is roots are equal, so because of roots are equal, so when roots are equal, we can take the formula b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, this one. Then b square, so 2 into k minus 12 square minus 4 into a is k minus 12, c is 2, okay, that is equal to 0. Now we need to simplify this equation. We get the value of k. So k minus 12, that is 2 square, so 4. So 4 into k minus 12 square and minus 4 into k minus 12 into 2 is equal to 0. Then simplify this h and everything. Then k minus 12, if you take common, because 4 if you take common and take other side is 0, then remaining is k minus 12 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, from this equation take 4 common and 0 by 4 is 0. Then simplify. So k minus 12 into k minus 14 is equal to 0. That's enough. It's already in factors. So k is equals to 12 or k is equals to 14. Okay. So values of k are, that is 12 and one is 14. These two are the values. Okay, this is the problem. And this step I'll write once again if you want. From this step, I took 4 common. Okay, k minus 12 square minus k minus 12 into 2 is equal to 0. The next step is this. Okay, now let us see this next question. Find the ratio in which the line joining a 6 comma 5 and b 4 comma minus 3 is divided by the line y is equal to 2. Okay, y is equal to 2 means the x coefficient value take 0 divided by the line y is equal to 2. Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. Okay, we'll find out the point of intersection and take the equation. So let us take the p divides ab in the ratio k is to 1 and we'll solve this problem. So let p divide, if we take the lines, this one line and one more is crossing the points a and b. This is the point a, that is 6 comma 5 according to the given question, and b is given, the point is 4 comma minus 3, and this line is y is equals to 2. Okay, equation of this line is y is equals to, it is touching the point at p and dividing the ratio k is to 1. Okay, this is the diagram. So let P divide AB in the ratio K is to 1. Okay. Now by using section formula, so using section formula we can confirm that you can solve this. So using section formula, so if it is m and n, so that formula I write, so mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. M and n is the ratio, so this is m and this n, and one is x1 y1 and this x2 y2 is the point B. So by applying this, so we'll get the point P. Then the point P is equals to, just to substitute the values in this place. So k is to 1. So 4k plus 6 by k plus 1 and minus 3k plus 5 by k plus 1. Just substitute the values as it is. And we know that P lies on y is equals to 2. That means y coordinate value is 2. So according to statement, P lies on y is equals to, so y value is 2. So y value is this, minus 3k, therefore minus 3k plus 5 by k plus 1 is equals to 2. If you solve this, you will get the k value. So minus 3k plus 5 is equals to 2k plus 2. From this, k is equals to 3 by 5. We take values on side. So required ratio is a k is to 1. Therefore, the ratio is, required ratio we already taken k is to 1. So that is 3 by 5 is to 1. That is equal to 3 is to 5. Okay, this is the ratio. Now in the place of k, the 3 by 5 value if we substitute, we will get the point of intersection. Okay, this is the point P. We can substitute in the place of k 3 by 5. Then therefore point of intersection we can find out. So point of intersection, so that is P, and that is equals to 4k plus 6, right? So 4 into 3 by 5 plus 6 by 3 by 5 plus 1, comma y value is 2. So already y is equals to 2 is given, so we need not to substitute and simplify. Anyway, we'll get 2 value. Then if we simplify this, that is 3 4 is 12. So 12 plus 30 by 5 by 3 plus 5 by 5, comma 2. So just cancel this. Then 42 by 8, comma 2. Yes, so this is, you can simplify 4 21. So 21 by 4 comma 2 is the value of this. Okay, so this is the value of the P. Now let us see the next one. C is this question C, a solid wooden toy is in the form of a cone mounted on the hemisphere. The radius of the hemisphere and the base of the cone is 4.2 centimeters. So this is the common radius, and each and total height of the toy is 10.2 centimeters, the total. And calculate the volume of the wooden used and total surface area of this toy to decimal places. So let's take the given data and solve this. So let's take me the given data. So let common radius is 4.2 is a given. So radius for both. So radius is equals to 4.2 centimeters. It's given. That is 42 by 10. You can write 21 by 5. I'm taking for easy calculations. And height of the cone. So let me take the diagram. Here cone and down is the hemisphere. So if you take the cone and hemisphere, so hemisphere diagram will take. So let me draw the hemispherical shape. And radius is the same for both. So if it is 4.2 centimeters, and from here to here this height also is 4.2 centimeters, and total height is given. Okay, total height is mentioned already in this. Then we can find out the height of the cone based on this. So total height is 10.2 centimeters. From this total 10.2, this 4 point if you subtract, then that is the height of the cone. Okay, that is the 6 centimeters. Okay, then height of the cone is 6 centimeters. Using this data, we can find out the volume of the toy. Then from the diagram, height of cone is equals to 10.2 minus 4.2, that is 6 centimeters. Okay, so we need to find out the volume of the toy first. So if you want to find out the volume of this toy, we need to add this both volumes. Volume of the hemisphere, so volume of hemisphere, volume of the hemisphere plus again volume of the cone. We'll add this both. So volume of the hemisphere plus volume of the cone. You should know the formulas of mensuration. Two problems easily. Volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, and volume of the cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, radius is same for both and height is different. So here you apply radius as this. Just to simplify the values, so 2 by 3 pi and r cube. So r is for easy calculations I have taken 21 by 5. So 21 by 5 whole cube plus 1 by 3 pi. This is 21 by 5 whole square, and height is 6 because the volume of height of the cone is 6. We need to simplify this. So 2 by 3, take 2 by 3. Okay, if you simplify and take common, just take in everything. 2 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7. If we cancel this, 3 ones are 3 twos, I can cut. Just bother you can get. And 21 by 5, 21 by 5 into 21 by 5. Just simplify. And pi value 22 by 7 into 21 by 5 square. So 21 by 5 into 21 by 5 into 2 by 1. Just use calculations all by taking common, that is 125 denominators after cancellations. So 2 into 22 into 21 into 36 after cancellations. Writing right answers here. Then if you use calculator, you say use calculator for calculations fast. By solving this, you'll get 266.11 cubic centimeters. So you should know the method how to solve. Main thing is I applied this formulas. Right. And one more thing in this, we need to find out total surface area of the toy. So if you want to find out the total surface area of this, we need the surface area of the cone also. Okay, and surface area of the hemisphere. So for that, let me take this and continue. So we need to find out the slant height, because CSE of cone, that is pi RL. So we should know the slant height. Then slant height is L, that is square root of r square plus h square. So square root of 21 by, so radius is 21 by 5 plus, and h square is 6 square. These two will simplify. Square root of, just you can 21 by 5 into 21 by 5 plus 6 into 6 is 36 by 1. And calculations are done. That is, we get finally 9 by 25 into 149, taking LCM. That is 9 by 25 is 3 by 5 square root of 149. Okay, that is the centimeters. Okay, just I did calculations. And now this slant height will apply in this problem. That is total surface area of the toy. The second part. So total surface area of this toy is, we need to add this both. That is the CSA. So curved surface area of hemisphere plus again CSA of the cone. So curved surface area of the cone. This both will add. Just apply write the formulas and substitute. So CSA of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square, and CSA of the cone, so pi rl. L value got now, so you can substitute 2 pi r square. So r is 21 by 5 square plus pi, and r is 21 by 5, and L is 3 by 5 square root of 149. Because 149 is not perfect square, you can write as is. They are asking up to significant 2 decimal places. So just to simplify this, pi value if you take common, then finally get 22 by 7, and 21 by 5 is common. The remaining is 42 plus 3 into square root of 149. Just write calculations. And finally 22 into 3, you can cancel 7 on the 7 3s are. So 22 into 3 by 5 into 42 into plus 3 root 49. Just finally get 207.56 cube square centimeters. So just I use a calculator for this. So this is the answer we'll get for this. Right? You can do checking also calculations. This is about the 8th one. Now let us see question number 9 and we'll solve these problems.